Welcome viewers. This is another example on conjugate of complex numbers, and we have an example that is find the real values of a and b for which the complex number 3 plus iota a square b and a square plus b plus 4 iota are conjugate of each other. So let us see how to solve this example. We are given that this negative 3 plus iota a square b is the conjugate of a square plus b plus 4 iota. So we shall write it like this, and now we shall solve it. Then it will be a square plus b minus 4 iota, and here is minus 3 plus iota a square b. Since these two complex numbers are equals, therefore their imaginary as well as real parts will be equal. Since these two complex numbers are equal, therefore negative 3 will be equals to a square plus b and a square b will be equals to negative 4. So these are two equations. We have to solve them for a and b. We shall let that this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and we shall use substitution method. For that we shall start from equation number 1. From equation 1 we have b equals to minus a square minus 3, and now we shall put this value in equation 1. Putting the value of b in equation 2, we get what we get? We get a square into minus a square minus 3 equals to minus 4. Then this value is equals to negative a raised to the 4th power minus 3 a square plus 4 equals to 0, and now we shall multiply both the sides by minus 1. Then we get a raised to the 4th power plus 3a square minus 4 equals to 0, and we shall factorize this equation by using middle term factorization method. Then it will be a raised to the 4th power, and here is 4a square minus a square minus 4 equals to 0, and we shall take a square common from for these first two terms. We have a square plus 4 minus 1 from here, then we have a square plus 4 equals to 0, then it is a square minus 1, and here is a square plus 4 equals to 0. Now we have a square minus 1 equals to 0, but a square plus 4 is not equals to 0, because for any real a square plus 4 is not equals to 0. Therefore we have a equals to plus minus 1. So these are the two values of a, and now we shall put these two values here in equation number 1 to get the value of b. If a is equals to 1, then we have minus 3 plus equals to 1 square plus b. This means b is equals to negative 4. Same as if a is equals to minus 1, then b is also negative 4. So these are the two solution set of the given question. Thank you.